Would you like to tap into an automated commission system that is responsible for generating an unlimited supply of traffic, leads, sales, and commissions? We're talking sales and commissions in the regions of thousands of dollars every single day. To be clear up front, this doesn't require you to start your own blog or YouTube channel, create complicated videos, have an existing email list, and it certainly doesn't require you to have any existing experience or technical skills. This is a 100% recession-proof, newbie-friendly commission system. Yes, this is an absolutely perfect system to tap into right now, as we enter the latest job-crushing recession which is causing havoc across the world. Profit Product Creator is the world's first and only fully automated software that makes you professional, top-quality digital products in minutes. Products that work for you 24/7 to bring in traffic, leads, commissions, and profits. This cloud-based app starts straight out of the box, and within a few minutes, you'll be generating your first $1,000 sale with your brand new products. Everything is 100% done for you. And if you follow these 3 simple steps, you've qualified for success with Profit Product Creator. Step 1. Search for content using the app and create your product in under 60 seconds. Step 2. Activate the free traffic. Step 3. Sit back and watch the sales roll in. Yes, it really is that easy. We created Profit Product Creator so that you could start cashing in starting right now. You see, these days, a lot of people think you're lucky if you work from home. Well, to me, that sounds like being stuck working a job. But earning from home is entirely different. That can mean making passive income 24/7, whether you're on the job or watching Netflix. When that happens, being at home gets a lot more fun. Hi, my name's Tony, and unlike what many people are preaching these days, I don't suggest you pressure yourself to learn new skills or invest in education. Why do all that work when the current situation is giving you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make game-changing passive income with practically zero effort? See, as millions of people have been staying at home, the demand for online courses and digital products has exploded. And while my team and I have been creating and selling digital products for years, over $50 million worth, the digital product market today is 3 times bigger than it was just months ago, worth hundreds of billions of dollars, meaning anyone in the info product game can make an absolute fortune right now. And that's exactly why my development team and I have created a revolutionary software to put you directly in front of the money. Welcome to Profit Product Creator, the world's first and only fully automated software that makes you professional, top-quality digital products in minutes. Products that work for you 24/7 to bring in traffic, leads, commissions, and profits. Everyone knows that the most successful digital marketers have their own products. They're the building blocks to constantly growing passive income. But until now, product creation was extremely challenging for everyday people. You'd have to become an expert in a certain area, research the market, spend months creating and editing content, and hundreds to thousands of dollars on designers, graphics, and delivery pages. It's no wonder so few people make their own products. Profit Product Creator levels the playing field, so you can have all the benefits of your own digital assets with absolutely none of the costs or setup hassles. Enter any keyword or topic, and the cloud-based software will generate you a premium ebook from scratch, pulling from a collection of over 250,000 PLR articles, or paste in a URL to legally scrape content from any website. Customize with your own content, mix and match in any combination for 100% unique products in minutes. You'll also get a fantastic e-cover tool for stunning covers with a mouse click to make your products stand out and drive more traffic and sales. Profit Product Creator is a complete all-in-one income system. On top of making your ebooks, it gives you the tools to promote them, top converting landing pages to build your list, professional thank you pages to deliver your products, and included premium hosting, so you have zero costs to run your business. With Profit Product Creator, you can have dozens of digital assets up, running, and working for you inside of a single afternoon. Use some as lead magnets to build your list. Let the software automatically add your affiliate links inside for passive commissions. Use others to sell, either as standalone products or as part of a funnel. Add them as bonuses to high-ticket offers to skyrocket your conversions. The possibilities are endless. The income potential is 100% real. Product creation has always been the #1 best way to make money online. You get step-by-step training to get up and running fast with specific strategies for maximizing your results. During this launch exclusive, we've slashed the price to a very low one-time fee. But that price will be going up, so make sure you get your license now. You're covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning it's completely risk-free for you to try. We urge you to grab your copy of Profit Product Creator before the price jumps to $97 per month after the initial launch period. The price of Profit Product Creator is increasing every 30 minutes. If you want to get in at the lowest price you'll ever see, please click the buy button right now to secure your VIP access right now. Forget working from home. This is earning from home, and it's a whole world of difference. See below for more details, software demo, and feedback from actual customers. Then lock in your discounted one-time price today. Check below for the full details, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount, so we can work together to grow your list and bank account. Whatever you decided, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation. Have a great day, and I hope to see you inside the members area to collect your first $1,000 commission from the incredible products you'll be creating.